What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about this beautiful blue M235i with my buddy Chris. We're going to talk about this car because I like the way he built this car, and he's going to talk about what his future plans and future mods for this car. So Chris,
hey, what's up?
tell me something about your car.
Tell me about my car. So basically what I've done on the outside is so I've started, the first thing that I wanted to do was start with the rims, because I wanted to get away from the stock rims first of all. So I started with the rims and lowering it a bit. So first thing I did, I was looking at a lot of VMRs. I was kind of skeptical on what I wanted to do, but I finally I chose these in the end because I wanted that bronze look on the car. So I went with the bronze look on the blue.
It's a nice, beautiful bronze color, Bags.
Yeah, I liked it. So I went with the VMR, the V8.
So what year is the car?
It's 2016. 2016 BMW M235i Xdrive.
Okay. The exterior, what did you do? Any exterior mods?
So exterior mods, like I was saying, so we started with the rims. I did some carbon pieces as well. I did the carbon diffuser on the back.
Carbon spoiler?
Yeah, exactly, the carbon spoiler. Hydro dipped my exhaust tips on the back.
Hydro dip?
Yeah, I hydro dipped them black. So yeah, so the bronze rim.
So that's not paint?
No, it's not paint, that's a hydro dip actually.
How does it work, hydro dip? Like
oh, it's the same thing that they can put on rims. It's extra hard. It's harder. It's a little bit harder than paint. So
it's more durable?
It's more durable, so that's better for wheels, exhaust, things like that. Basically things that are going to get more debris on them.
Okay.
Yeah, it's better for that.
What other mods you did on the exterior?
So we'll go over here to the mirrors. I wanted kind of the carbon, not too much carbon, but I wanted that carbon look on my car, so I put the carbon mirrors.
Okay.
Those I got from Amazon. They were still a pretty good deal for those.
What made you decide for this carbon mirrors?
I just love the carbon look. I love the carbon look. I didn't like the stock silver
look. Like the M3 style.
Exactly, yeah. So I was
fiber side mirror.
Yeah, M3, M2 kind of style.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what I was going for. So I got these eyelids from Amazon as well. I think they're real carbon. Pretty sure they're real carbon. They're pretty expensive, so I did those. Yeah. I did the reflectors here on the side. Those are just a cheap buy from eBay, but they ended up looking pretty decent.
That's nice.
Yeah, and the lip, I actually got the inspiration from you, because I saw it from you. So I got the lip after I saw it on your car. So I went with that.
That's a nice lip.
Yeah, exactly.
Looks familiar.
Yeah, it looks familiar. Exactly.
Okay.
And yeah, also I did the gloss black around here, and I put these.
Is that painted, or it's already?
So they're painted.
It's already painted from the where you bought them.
I painted them.
Oh, you painted?
I painted them. They do chip a bit,
yeah.
But it looks better.
The tricolor, you did them yourself too?
They're just clip-ons, so they're just clip-ons here. Get those on eBay, you know, they're pretty cool, so I put them on. Also, I was skeptical about those too, but I put them on, it looks pretty decent, I think, so. No, that's it basically.
So how you like the motor on your car, the N55 motor?
The N55, I really like it because, first of all, it's a very reliable motor. Okay. Secondly, I like the torque out of it. I like the torque aspect. So once you tune it, even if you don't tune it stock, it's just amazing. Like, you get a lot of power out of the box, out of the dealer, and when you tune it, you get some even more power and the more torque, and that's what I like about it.
So before we go to the performance, what is your suspension setup?
So suspension setup, I have the H&R springs. It's the blue springs. I didn't go red springs. I actually wanted the red springs.
So these are only springs, not coilovers?
They're just springs, yeah, no coilovers. I wanted the red springs, but I ordered the wrong ones, but I'm actually very happy with them because the ride quality is actually really amazing. I think it lowers it maybe half an inch difference.
That's it? Only half an inch?
No, between the red and the blue.
Than that.
Between the red and the blue, but the blue ones lower probably an inch and a bit. That's what they say.
So how's the ride quality?
Honestly, it feels like stock. It feels like it's a stock ride. I put in comfort mode, feels the same as like when I was driving stock. Put in Sports Plus mode, and it's still tight. It feels a little bit more stuck to the ground, more planted, but it still has that stock.
Is the handling better than the original, you think?
I think so, yeah. It's more planted to the ground. So when I did the wheels as well, I also went I went a little bit wider tire. So basically my VMRs are I have 8.5 width in the back, in the front. It's a 235 40 235 40 R18 in the front. And in the back we have 255. I went a little bit wider, so it gives you more stability.
So it's a staggered setup like my car.
Staggered setup, so 255, 35, 18s in the back. Also for the back, I have 5mm spacers in the back and 10mm in the front.
10mm spacers.
Yeah.
So what are the sizes of the mags? Like what are the widths of the front and the back?
The widths. So I have 8.5 in the front and 9.5 in the back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're a little bit wider than my car. I just 8" in the front and 9" in the back.
Yeah. But I find it gives it just a little bit better ride quality.
So what have you done with exhaust?
Exhaust. So basically, right now I have the Wagner downpipe and full M Performance exhaust all the way down. I still have my muffler, I still have my resonator, but yeah. So it's a catless downpipe from Wagner, and that's basically for the exhaust.
Have you dynoed the car?
I haven't dynoed the car. I'm not sure about the numbers because I just haven't dynoed it yet.
So how much horsepower do you think you have right now?
So right now, because I'm running a JB4 setup on a Map 6 custom tune, honestly, I would say between anywhere from 360 to 400 wheels, something like that. Maybe closer to the 390 wheels, something like that.
That's very good numbers.
Yeah, it's pretty good, yeah.
So any interior mods you did in the car?
Interior mods, sadly no, I'd love to, and for the future I'd like to do some Alcantara on the interior. I do like the gloss black for now. It is nice, but it does get a little scratchy sometimes, but I'm gonna do the Alcantara probably.
What are your future plans or future mods for this car?
Future mods, well, for sure I want to go full straight pipe so that's I want to get the VRSF muffler delete. That's one of the things I want to do. The other thing I want to do is I want to keep my JB4, but more as to see all the diameters and everything of a real tune, so I can check everything, so I can monitor everything. And I'm still contemplating between boot mod and MHD. I'm still not sure because I'd like to go on a custom map with one of them. I'm not sure yet which one.
So that's why you selected JB4 instead of
I did JB4
boot mode or MHD?
Yeah, so I went to JB4. I wanted to try it out. Honestly, from stock, like stage 2 to stock is huge difference. When you have a downpipe, it's honestly a huge difference. Stage 1 is okay, but stage 2 is where you're gonna see the most, and if you have a downpipe is where you're gonna really see all the gains. That's where it comes from, is getting that downpipe. That helps this motor.
So future mods for the exterior or interior, do you have any other
future for the exterior? To be honest, exterior I like to keep it, I'd like to get a diffuser maybe. So
rear diffuser?
Rear diffuser, yes, exactly. So I'd like to get the rear one on the back right there with the 3 slits in it, because I still have the stock one, just to give it some more of an aggressive look. I'd like to do that. So yeah, that's one of them. Exterior, I don't really have much else. I don't want to go too crazy. Maybe get some side skirts, some M Performance side skirts maybe. But that's a possibility. I really want to work on the motor first and get everything in the tuning done right first.
And interior mods, any plans? Interior
mods, like I said, the Alcantara would be a huge thing for me. It's just getting the time to do it and actually getting around to it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see with that.
It's nice. Alcantara is nice.
Yeah.
Any carbon fiber bits that you plan inside?
I do actually plan. Yeah, like yours. I like yours inside. So
Thank you.
Yeah, some carbon fiber wherever the silver is would be cool. Yeah, I'd like to do something like that as well. Maybe some red buttons on the push stop start.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah,
that's good. So you think we can hear your exhaust?
Yeah, for sure.
To hear how
we'll start it up.
Sounds good, man. There you go, guys. That's it for this video. So if you want to follow Chris, follow him on his Instagram. So Chris, what is your Instagram?
My Instagram is Chris Ernst and 111. Yep, so that's, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, no worries.
So follow on his Instagram to see more builds of this M235i. That's it, guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
See you guys.